Next children, ninth class lab activity. What is the aim of this lab activity, children? Lab activity aim to find the acceleration and velocity of object moving the inclined track. Method required glass marbles, book, long plastic tubes and steel plate. Procedure. Take a long plastic tube of length nearly 200 centimeters and cut it half along the length of the tube. Use this tube part as track. Mark the reading in centimeters along the track. Place the one at the end of the tube and the book other end on the floor. Keep the steel plate on the floor at the bottom of the track. Consider the reading of the bottom of the track is 0. Take a marble having enough size of the traverse and track freely. Now release the marbles freely from a certain distance, say 40 centimeters. Toss the digital clock when the marbles are released. It moves down the track and strike a steel plate. Stop the digital clock when sound is produced. Repeat the same experiment for the same distance 2-3 times and note down values of the time the marbles. Repeat the same experiment various distance. Draw a ST diagram for the above values. For the above values. This like children. For the question. What is speed of the body? What is the speed of the body moving with uniform acceleration at the midpoint of 2 points on a straight line where the speed r, u and v respectively. Sicilian solution. Let a be the constant acceleration and s be the distance between 2 points. S be the distance between 2 points. A be the acceleration. From the equation of motion, v square minus u square equal 2as. Therefore, let v not be the speed of the body. Let v not be the speed of the body at the midpoint of the m. At the midpoint of the m, this is u, this is speed v. The apply the same equation by above, we get v naught square minus u square equal 2as by 2. That equal, yes, from 1 we get v naught square minus u square equal v square minus u square by 2 or v naught square equal v square minus u square by 2 plus u square. So v naught square equal to v square minus u square plus 2u square by whole by 2. That equal v naught equal to root of v square plus u square by 2 by 2. This is one. Next, a car travel Next example 4. A car rest with a constant acceleration in t seconds. What is the speed of the car for a journey if the car moves along a straight road? A car travels from rest with a constant acceleration a and for t seconds. What is the average speed of the car for its journey if the car moves along the straight road? So children, solution. See, a car start from rest. So u is equal to 0. The distance covered in time t. So s equal of at square. So average speed equal total distance by time taken. What is total distance? V is equal at square by 2 by t. They called pt cancel. At by 2. This is. Next, continue the problem. A particles move with the constant acceleration of the 2 meters per second square due to west has an initial velocity of the 9 meters per second. Due east, find the distance covered in the seconds of its motion of the children. Initial velocity is equal mu is equal 9 meters per second. Acceleration a is equal minus 2 meters per second. See, in this problem, acceleration direction opposite the velocity direction. Let t be the time taken by the particle to reach a point where it can turn along the straight line. If we have that, v is equal to u plus at. V the velocity 0 is equal to 9 minus 2t. 9 minus 2t because u is equal to 9, a is equal to minus 2. We get 9 is equal to 2t, t is equal to 4.5 seconds. See. Now let us find the covered width of seconds in from 4.2 to 5 seconds. Let u is equal to 0. Let u is equal to 0 at time equal to 4.5 seconds. The distance covered in half seconds. S equal half at square for half into a 2 into 1 by 2 whole square. 2 cancel. Equal 1 by 4 meters. So the total distance covered in the 5th second as its motion is by s not equal to s 2 into 1 by 4 equal half meter. Half meter.